Hi, I'm Nick with Shingle Tech, your local roofing expert, servicing Franklin County and surrounding. Our #1 service call for repairs is a neoprene fitted pipe flashing. Most calls I get about this, the conversations start with a customer saying they notice a water spot in their bathroom or kitchen. Then I'll ask, or they'll just say, that the roof is only 8 to 10 years old. You see, this style flashing is a rubber gasket that seals by being pressure fitted. And after a few years in the weather, the expansion-contraction leads to cracking like these pictures, which will lead to water being able to penetrate through your substrate. So if your roof is 8 to 10 years old, you may be ready for our no-cost inspection on your home. If you're wanting us to take a look at it, feel free by calling us today at 636-221-7284 or visit us at shingletech.com.